Hi everyone. Willingly or unwillingly, we all are quite entirely in the digital age now. Because of the pandemic and the COVID crisis, we have all been forced to conduct many of our professional lives online. So it's a very routine thing that we attend online meetings, right? So I wanted to bring to your attention to a kind of an etiquette which is becoming very rare these days in the era of online meetings. There are obviously constraints and shortcomings with that idea, but still I wanted to tell you about it. So on a daily basis, if you are a working person or a person doing pursuing research either in a private organization or a government entity, attending an online meeting might have become a very usual or a routine task for you. And most often, for good or for bad, we would be switching off our videos, switching off our audio, and would be attending the meeting. Sometime, many a times passively, we might be doing 3 other or 10 other things while trying to listen to that meeting. And if it's some kind of a meeting which we are not really interested in attending, we might just be logged into the meeting and be doing entirely something else. Now, is this really good? Consider a scenario when it was not an online meeting and you had to physically attend a meeting. You would be presenting yourself much more actively in that meeting. You would be participating much more actively in the meeting, even if you are not interested. Otherwise, if you really had something else to do, you would actually call it quits on the meeting without actually going in for it. But because the online meeting is quite convenient, even if you are not really interested in attending it, you will still log in just to show your face in the meeting. But is it doing any good? It may not be. It'll you if you did not want to attend the meeting and you still logged in, you would still not be able to do the other work that you are trying to do effectively or in a good way. Additionally, you would be actually not contributing fruitfully or in a effective manner in the online meeting, thereby wasting both your time and the meeting of and the time of others, right? So the idea is, what I'm trying to tell is that I have observed, I have attended many online meetings, sometimes 6 or 7 a day over the past year and a half, and I have observed few people who always tend to keep their video on while attending the meeting. I always felt, why are they doing it? What do they want to show their face all the time? But I have also observed that these are the people who are actually added a lot of value to each of the meetings that they were attending. Then I went back and thought about it. The idea is, when you switch on the video of your meeting and you switch on the audio, or at least the video, you commit yourself and you commit your valuable time to that meeting. Okay, sometimes you might have bandwidth limitations and you might even be affecting the bandwidth limitations of other members of the meeting. In such a scenario, it is okay to switch off the video or audio. But my point is not that. My point is that the most valuable thing that you can contribute at this time to any professional activity is your complete attention and your focus. This is something that is getting lost a lot in this post-pandemic era, and it's going to be an issue going forward. So it's always good that we commit ourselves, we commit our time, we commit our attention, dedication into a meeting that we are attending, so that our time gets well spent and we add value to the meeting that we are attending. And if you really feel that it is a waste of time for you, better don't attend, rather than logging in and doing something else and wasting both yours and other people's time. This is something I am also a culprit. I have also done this. I have logged into several meetings where I have been a very passive listener and was doing something else. But over a period of time, I felt that this is not a professional thing to do. If you want to attend, log in and attend. If you don't want to attend it, just send an email telling that right now I am busy. I am sorry. I'm really apologize. But I feel that I may not be able to add value to the meeting because I am occupied with few other things. At least this is what we would have done if it was a physical meeting, right? So I have learned this lesson from many stalwarts or very professional people who I have had the good fortune to work with. They used to always keep their videos on and they used to always keep their videos on and participate very actively in the meeting. Initially, I thought, what are they trying to do? What are they trying to prove and all? Then over a period of time, I understood they are giving the most valuable thing that they can give to the meeting, their time. Your time is precious, and also the time of everybody else in the meeting. So use it wisely, use it judiciously. This is something I wanted to talk to you about today as a part of this new post pandemic digital age, digital professional life. Good luck, take care, keep yourself safe. Bye.